In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fibonacci extension on MetaTrader 5. To get started, open MetaTrader 5 and select the chart you want to analyze. Make sure you're on the correct asset and time frame before drawing anything, because Fibonacci extensions are used to project possible future price targets based on a previous move and retracement. Taking a moment here to confirm your chart can help you avoid placing the tool on the wrong market or time period. Once your chart is ready, go to the menu bar at the top of the platform and click Insert. This is where MetaTrader 5 organizes many of the drawing and analysis tools you'll use for technical charting. After clicking Insert, move to Objects, then choose Fibonacci, and from that submenu, select Expansion. In some trading discussions, this is also referred to as a Fibonacci extension style projection tool, so if you've heard both names before, you're in the right place. Now it's time to place the tool on the chart. First, click on the chart to set the first point. This first point should mark the start of the initial price move you want to measure. Think of it as the beginning of the trend leg that you're using as the foundation for the projection. Next, click again to set the second point. This should be placed at the end of that initial price move. In other words, you're defining the full distance of the first major move, from where it started to where it ended. This measured move is what MetaTrader 5 will use to calculate the extension levels later. After that, click a third time to set the final point, which should be the end of the retracement. This is the pullback after the initial move. By setting this third point correctly, you tell the platform where the market retraced before potentially continuing in the original direction. That's what allows the extension tool to project future levels beyond the previous high or low. As soon as the third point is placed, the Fibonacci extension levels will appear on the chart automatically. These levels can help you estimate possible target areas where price may react, pause, or continue moving. For clearer analysis, it's a good idea to zoom in if needed and make sure each point is anchored precisely where you intended. And that's it. You've successfully added a Fibonacci extension on MetaTrader 5.